What's good, YouTube? Welcome back with another video. Hope you guys having a nice day. And today I just ignore the mess, but I just put some lights, my turning signal lights, and I'm about to show you guys how to do it. I say show you guys how to do it. I'm about to show you guys how it looks from stock to install. You know what I'm talking about. The interior. I turn on the left signal first, so you know the stock version. Alright, that's the stock. Now I'm about to show you guys on this side that I'm working on right now. Oh shit. Well, I had a problem, difficulty, the right tail light, the turning signal light, it didn't work all of a sudden, so it took me like at least 30 minutes just to fix it with my team. And yeah, I'm about to show you guys right now. This is the breaker, the JBL LED, bright white, they are really good, So right behind me, got the front of my dirt, and they're really down here. They tough, I like them. Like I said, in the future, I'm gonna change the exhaust. I'm gonna have like at least a dual or probably triple, I don't know, depends how I'm feeling. But yeah. Like the brightness, man. I'm definitely on bright people, but oh well. This is dope.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, I came in with a saw.